I'll do a different polarity now. Uh, Mercury and Jupiter are a good one because that is the macrocosm polarity, and there are two, Gemini to Sagittarius, and then Pisces to Virgo. Um, and yeah, so uh, the idea of the polarity works in the same way, right? Virgo and Jupiter are the same thing, but they're just operating at the opposite ends of the spectrum, just like the heat and the cold, just like the Sun and Aquarius. So it's, the variance that ends up, Jupiter's big, literally, and Mercury is very small, and it moves the fastest. And it takes Jupiter 12 years to complete a Jupiter cycle. So, and Mercury does like rotates around the sun in 88 days or something. So, yeah, um, when you do that, then you take the Virgo archetype versus the Pisces archetype, which is emotional, transcendence and kind of death, but also concepts of rebirth or mystical mysticism in general. And then Virgo's like very, money counting and like how many beans are there, and like how many pieces of sand are on the ocean floor or whatever. Very, very tiny, very specific, very physically oriented. The exact opposite, but the same. And then Gemini is like everyday speech that you have with your friends around the water cooler or at the coffee shop. But then Sagittarius is like going to the top of the Himalayas and talking to some guy that's up there, and he's not even a guy that's associated with anything. He's just a guy, and you just found this guy up there that nobody knows who he is. That's Sagittarius. So same thing as Gemini. So it's just usually it's the Mercury is applied in the Gemini field.